lovely.
Yeah, Muhammad said it looked bad. Okay, so this is the Scientek Washer Decontaminator. The control panel is here. This is emergency stop, so there's the same button on both sides. So you just press it in to stop it, and you pull it back out to reset it. This is the power disconnect also. So you can just turn the whole machine off or turn it back on, okay? There's also power disconnect on the wall that you can shut it off there as well. All the utilities come in from the very top. So, and I believe on each water line they have a power disc or a shut off. So if there's any leaks or anything, you can get up there and turn them off on the fly. This is a touchscreen controller. So on the main menu, you will see the operation screen, setup menu, service menu, that's really just for biomed and text, but setup you might, and then the alarm list. So I'll start the operation menu, you press that, and it pulls up your cycle that you currently have selected. This is instrument cycle. It goes through each parameter of the cycle, the wash, rinse, 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 and the drying, and all the times. If you hit select cycle, these are all the pre-built cycles. So we have, and I believe, did Lynn build a lot of these with you? Cycles?
Oh, they were already.
Okay, so these can be changed based on your IFUs for your different instruments or whatever you're washing, but these are just the most popular. So there's 10 cycles. Should be more than that. You just cycle down to select. Now there's 10. So again, instrument's probably going to be your most popular, but you can select once you have it picked what you want. You hit enter, and it goes back to here. So to open the door, you just hit open door. It comes up. Then you load your rack. Now this washer is built with a very large rack on the inside. So you're able to put 9 large trays, 3 per level. This is a little bit deeper, has double sprayer arms, and a little bit taller. One thing to check on the chamber is there's a screen down here. Just make sure a lot of times you'll get those chemical or biological indicators in there. The paper, just keep that clean. If you ever get, because all washers will take the paper, and if it's not cleaned out, and if it gets past the screen, it'll suck it into the washer and it'll go on these sprayer arms. So that's why each sprayer arm, at the end of it, is removable with a Phillips head. So if you're not getting any detergent out of one of these sprayer arms, you can take this off or call service, and then this unscrews out and you can clear these arms when they get occluded. Sometimes that happens, okay? The sprayer arms can also be removed right here. If you have a very large set, you have 2 sprayer arms on the top and then 2 on each level and 2 on the bottom. So if you want to take this off, this just, I believe it just slides up. It pops out. Okay? So if you want to get them out of the way, you can. Make sure it's back on there and flushed. So that'll help in case you have something really large. These are all fixed levels, but these screens will come out. They just pull out easily. So if you have something really large, you could take out these sprayer arms and take the screen out to do that with it. Okay, any questions on that? I don't think you're ever going to do that, but just so you know that it can. And again, I would just do a visual inspection on the bottom to make sure nothing, at the end of the day, see if there's a bunch of junk down there. This will just pull out on the bottom. Just lifts up. You can take that out in no time. Okay, and that's about it for the chamber. So I'm gonna shut the door. It does have a little bit of a delay because it has a built-in air compressor, so it's a hydraulic door. We were doing it too fast on the other side. I'm guilty of it as well. So now you're all set. You got it loaded. Everything is in. You have your cycle picked, and then you just hit start. It'll fill the chamber and run through the whole cycle and give you a countdown.
Thank you.